Murugan idli shop. Ghee pudi idli, halwa, best halwa. You know that famous song? Yeah. Rajkumar. His phone was not there. Tension
that is important.
Tension
At a call, main thing switch off on the phone. That is the main thing.
Hello. Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. It is 4 AM and we are going to Erkard. It's a hill station in Tamil Nadu. We'll be living in a while now and we'll try to vlog it for you.
Hi everyone.
No, we need to go later. Karu आमचे टूर प्लॅनर आमका पुरा कोणाकी गोत्तु ना कालम करना सामून ओनली Karu knows. Is the tour guide आमचे tour planner guide. Sorry husband. See the view.
Time lapse.
What's the time now? 6:27. So in next 20 minutes we will be reaching our breakfast spot.
Murugan.
Quick gun Murugan.
Murugan idli corner.
No.
Idli shop.
Murugan idli shop. Bari idli meltadi.
Dosa melta. Ghee pudi idli, ghee pudi dosa.
That button idli meltadi.
Pongal. Benne.
Kala kuddi.
We have reached our first destination.
Already गाड़ी कितला था.
Just open it.
Breakfast spot Murugan idli.
Rao manta.
Like very famous place.
Already line Rahul है तो हमें राव्या.
वही गे? कहीं?
मुकार पड़ा है.
Murugan idli. Already line asana.
What do we want to eat?
Yeah.
Wheat halwa. This is wheat halwa. Complimentary नहीं. तियोनी सा ते जाएगी. How is it?
It's expensive.
Yum.
Sweet. It's good.
It's good.
My chutney is on the plate also.
मक्का काला है.
Coconut chutney, green chutney, red chutney, little bit mustardy chutney. Vada ile, ghee pudi idli, ghee pudi. तुमचे experience in Murugan idli?
Super. Idli is so fluffy and
So soft. Malliga idli for real.
excellent. And this
Halwa.
best halwa.
The new lana tasha.
When it is hot, it's easy to eat.
Pablo.
I ordered onion uttappam. It was very nice.
तुझे expression now nice बरे बोल. Sweet pongal कशा
Sweet
आला?
pongal was like I expected to be like not great, but it was good. First time experience, very nice. काली पांचल. हमका सोडून कोणी ना.
I want this.
What do you want to buy?
I'm buying this south. Ante idondu. Same.
पड़ा है हाँ.
Same.
येल्ले बारीक का येल्ले मोटा. What are we going to buy this? Oh my god. Yeah. Mr. Elroy, so what are you on?
I just want to get out of this place.
This is like that. You know that famous song? Yeah. Rajkumar.
like I think I'm trying again. New person. And this is Mughari. Oh wow. Mukerji ek song yes. Oh wow. Thank you so much.
नया प्यार है
Something just happened. My brother just realized that his phone was not there, and we all got panicked and we tried to search everywhere. We tried calling the number, and someone actually received the call. And they're telling us the location. Oh my god, we can't believe it.
Found the location. It's okay. 37.
Zambla.
Half an hour.
तो Zambla so togi sir.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Oh my god.
Thank you.
This man is great.
It's okay.
Tension
That is important.
Tension
The call received kellena. That is a great thing.
It's okay. It's
This
okay.
is the second thing that we left somewhere.
Seat belt girl.
And please, we'll keep our things safely from now because today's day is not good with things.
It never started good.
We are keeping things and going back again and again. This time more the distance. Last time 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Next time 45 minutes.
It's okay. We still have Monday also. But
this was
low, bala.
This was better than losing the phone. Think
Yeah,
of
this is much
think
better
of
than
that. It could have been worse.
He's like,
Yeah.
you come to Wamlur. That is same.
Where is Wamlur? That Zambla.
ऑलरेडी मिळले रे लोकेशन
Zambla place mo.
नाही फोनाचे लोकेशन मिळले
नहीं,
लगे.
Zamla's place के.
प्रोबेबली
But who is this man?
शट अप एंड सिट देयर मस्त एवरीथिंग इज फाइन
This is also part of the vacation.
It's
Journey.
okay.
It's okay. Chill कर रहे हैं, chill कर.
चिल कर आम्ही असा नाही
तुझं भाऊजी बरो असा तू कापून ओरता
No, I was just.
अनेकलो भाऊजी बरो आलो बरे कन कॉल कन कोणे म्हणे पिक करच्या बरे
Yeah, I would never keep calling continuously.
पण अविनाश बॅरी
मुझे मलयालम मिक्स करू कसं अंडरस्टँड करेल
नहीं, आप मुझे.
वांगा सर वांगा
वांगी बात
आप मुझे.
But don't be happy so soon. Let's see.
Yeah, let's not be too excited.
Yeah.
हे कर तुझे लोकेशन तू लॉग इन केला ना
Wait.
लॉग इन केला
मेन थिंग स्विच ऑफ जाऊन होतो फोन दॅट इज
वन स्विच
Yeah.
24% असा
नहीं, अंतिम मिल लेगी. That
अंत
Google
लोकेशन मिळला वी कॅन डायरेक्टली ट्रॅक टू दिस अँड वी कॅन
Okay.
गो
That is your location.
Okay. नहीं.
sounded like genuine and he's like you come I will keep here आम्ही सांग ना एरकड पावला
Rinnik iPhone finger आयलागे already आयला.
What is that?
See, in iPhone you usually hold it with this pinky finger in support, okay? So you will have a bump here, like.
Oh, ये मका पहला.
मुझे आपण पळा.
Oh, this one, right?
Here, the gundi.
Yeah. ये मका क्या?
अंग गुंडी आपण पळा.
कशी धरचे म्हणता के? Let's see how you look.
Usually we hold it like this.
Ah,
असा इल्लशे.
it is there
like in process.
Both the fingers I have. See, touch here. Mine is there still.
I don't know.
That's a
It's a real thing with
Yeah.
everyone. Oh.
Yeah, only iPhone users have it.
I don't know whether it is only iPhone users, but I have seen videos from iPhone users. Chill go.
Yeah, adventurous trips are already.
Adventure ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಮಿ ಲೈಫ್
ते तुझं लोकेशन
रीनी नांगे फोनाच्या विषयान काले एक चूर कळच्या पहिले तर आम्ही इशा ये पुरो व्लॉग करीचे नाही म्हणाले देखून आम्ही म्हणलं उगत राव गो फोन वेळा आता तिथला तर त्यानंतर अविनाश हॅलो मागे राव लाईक आता व्लॉग कर गो
Thank you, uncle.